Serbia stands as a highly appealing destination for many citizens. Serbia aspires to join the European Union and NATO, fostering active growth in both business and tourism. The uncomplicated procedure for acquiring a residence permit serves as the primary pathway to Serbian citizenship. In today's video, we will find how to obtain residence permit by opening a company in Serbia. The preferred legal structure for a company in Serbia is the LLC, DOO in Serbian. Business establishment in Serbia offers the added benefit of obtaining a residence permit. By establishing a company, there is no requirement to make an investment in Serbia to acquire a residency permit. It is permissible to create a company where you are the sole employee. Residency application process. To obtain Serbian residency, applicants must operate either a Serbian company or an offshore company branch in Serbia. Once residency is approved for the main applicant, the application process for the immediate family members begins, requiring an additional 45 to 60 working days for them to attain Serbian residency. Prerequisites for obtaining a residence permit in Serbia include obtaining a mandatory white card, a stamped passport from crossing the Serbian border, and filing the application in person. Initially, a 1 year temporary permit is issued, and to secure permanent residency, one must attain tax resident status by spending at least 183 days in Serbia. Two trips to Serbia are required. The first, to acquire a white card and apply for a residence permit, and the second, to receive the granted residence permit. Documentations and process required for residence permit. 1. A Serbian address. Rent an apartment and provide rental agreement copy. 2. Passport copies. 3. Two passport size photographs. 4. White card. 5. Financial proof. Minimum 5,000 euro in your personal account for applying for residency. 6. Company formation documents. Serbian Business Registration Agency certificate. 7. Medical insurance. At least 30,000 euro. 8. Visa D. 9. No criminal record certificate for the country of citizenship. 10. Corporate bank account. For a work permit in Serbia, submit a residence permit, original education certificate, diploma or above, with a Serbian translation, notarized and apostille, Serbian Business Registration Agency certificate, and a CV. Conclusion. In Serbia, obtaining a residence permit through company formation appeals to many due to the country's EU and NATO aspirations, fostering growth in business and tourism. The LLC structure offers a straightforward path, eliminating the need for investment. The process involves operating a Serbian or offshore company. Prerequisites include a white card, stamped passport, and in person application. Two trips are needed for the white card and to collect the granted residence permit. Required documentations includes a Serbian address, passport copies, financial proof, and business formation documents. For a work permit, submit a residence permit, translated original education certificate, diploma or above, business certificate, and CV. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell icon, and sharing. Stay tuned for more informative content from Infonomad TV.